Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be covering these old Roman aqueducts. This aqueduct bridge is in the historical Fatih area of Istanbul and is part of the Valens Aqueduct system. In front of this beautiful Roman Aqueduct Bridge are the calm and relaxing fountains of Aviation Park, a nice park to sit in while enjoying a Turkish simit with some dried fruits and other snacking delights before taking in the spectacular views of the aqueduct. One can only imagine what kind of beautiful Roman buildings surrounded this magnificent structure 1500 years ago. Most tourists to Istanbul just come to visit the Grand Bazaar and other buildings nearby like the Hagia Sophia, Basilica Cistern, and museums, or even take a Bosphorus cruise. But now you can enjoy with me the sight of this magnificent marvel of the Roman Empire. Maybe after seeing this video, you will decide to circle this destination on your map of must-see places when you visit this city of cultural wonders. The Valens Aqueduct is the longest aqueduct ever built by the Romans, at least 3 times longer than any other Roman aqueduct before it. The first phase stretched over 250 kilometers. Can you believe that? Imagine traveling that distance in your city by car or bus, and we all know how long that takes by vehicle. What an amazing feat to build something so vast. Though only 2 tiers, imagine all the brilliant craftsmanship involved in building just this section. And imagine the amount of material involved to build it with a 1,000-to-1 slope to get it to deliver water to the new Roman capital of Constantinople every day. It's like something out of a fairy tale to think that an aqueduct system could be so long. Some say the 1st century Roman aqueduct of Pointe de Garde in France is the most famous because it had 3 tiers of arches in one bridge, making it the tallest of all Roman aqueducts. But Pointe de Garde only spanned 50 kilometers and only carried an estimated 40,000 cubic meters of water every day to the city of Nimes. This was just a small feat in comparison to the 2nd phase of the Valens Aqueduct, which spanned over 453 kilometers, which altogether carrying over 1 million cubic meters of water to the city every day. The Valens Aqueduct had 30 bridges, including this aqueduct bridge, which spans almost a kilometer. While not in service anymore today, since the Turks built a more modern underground water piping system to handle the needs of a population of over 15 million residents. The aqueducts were functional for over 1,400 years. Though this bridge has only 2 tiers, this was such an incredible display of Roman technology and achievements. One is just awestruck imagining all the water flowing through this vast aqueduct system as it reaches the city of Constantinople, and how this water is stored in 3 open reservoirs and over 100 underground cisterns, such as the Basilica Cistern, with a combined capacity of over 1 million cubic meters. The water comes from 2 lines from the northeast and 1 coming from the northwest, which join together outside the walls near the Adrianople Gate. A distribution plant lies near the east end of the aqueduct, and another distribution plant lies near the Hagia Sophia. The exact date that the construction started on the aqueduct is uncertain, but it was completed in 368 AD during the reign of Valens, whose name it bears. This spectacular aqueduct bridge section standing along the valley between the third and fourth hills of Constantinople, is said to have been built using the stones of the walls of Chalcedon, pulled down as punishment after a revolt of Procopius. Chalcedon was an ancient maritime town located almost directly opposite Constantinople across the Bosphorus Strait, and it is now a district of the city of Istanbul named Kadıköy. With the exception of the Maiden's Tower, there are virtually no other above-ground buildings of this ancient town that survive in Kadıköy today. So now we conclude this beautiful and charming visit of the Valens Aquaduct Bridge. If you enjoyed it as much as I did, please click like and subscribe, and consider adding this stop to your trip if you ever decide to visit Istanbul like I did. I think everyone should experience these historical moments, whether on YouTube or in person.